Brian, you find yourself in this situation because you keep on telling me I need one thing, and then you make it out like I need something else. What do you have to say for yourself, you terrible man?
Don't hit me again. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Welcome again to Budget with Brian. Today, I'm helping show how to lay a DPM in a house that's ready to have its DPM fitted. Okay, so a DPM is a damp proof membrane. It's designed to stop damp coming up through the floor, and it goes down before the insulation, and then it gets the heating coils laid in it, and then concrete or a screed laid over the top. Most important thing about laying a DPM is you don't want to pierce it so that the damp can get through. So clean the floor very thoroughly, make sure there's no stones that can push up through it. Most people will advise you to put a small layer of soft sand underneath to prevent it, but in this particular case we're a bit tight on space, so we're making sure that there's no potential to penetrate the DPM when we lay it. So we cut it to width first of all, which we've done here, as you can see. We've provided a decent lap up the sides of the wall, and to get it relatively flat we've got one of the boards out so that we can remove the wrinkles, pull a little bit at the side and remove the wrinkles so there isn't air pockets underneath. Not that that's greatly important, but yeah, you'd like it flatter rather than with loads of creases underneath. And then we can get on and lay the insulation. Show you that in a minute. Right, here we are, about halfway through the job, and it's going well. You can see what we've done is we've laid the DPM, damp proof membrane, and what we're doing, we've lapped it up the side of the wall for the minute, about 150, 300, and where the boards meet the wall, we've done a vertical thermal break with a bit of 1-inch Celotex around the edges. Now we're getting to working around the windows. We've had to blank off some spaces left by the block and beams, you know, but it's all fairly simple stuff and going well. Be done for lunch, I think. Okay, so we're cutting the next bit of DPM to length. I'm using a pair of scissors. It's the best way to cut this stuff. I'm using the laser scissors that I might have reported on before. They're absolutely crap because the laser's long gone. But hey, I'll cut away, no problem. Right, so now we've laid the second piece of DPM. It's got to be joined to the first one. And we're lapping up the joint here, and we're going to go along the joint all the way along. This is the toughest tape that I've come across. It's called T-Rex. It's a USA product, and it is really tough. Finished now. Ready for lunch. The links are below for the tapes. We've got another room, another day. See you again next time. And hey, thank you very much indeed for all those extra subscribers. And thank you again for watching Budget with Brian. And don't forget, any comments, you let us know. Any questions, let us know.